It took me 7 years to pick up a spray can again, but I'm finally coming back to the mural business. So, my phone is full of videos of how my summer went. I have a lot of videos that I need to edit, and most of those videos are silent. I need to talk over it, to do a voiceover, and it's not really my thing. I just don't like it because now I talk, right, and there's a video and there's a sound, and it's easier for me this way. If there's a video and I need to talk, I'm looking to the length of the video and I'm trying to talk, it's difficult because I really have a free mind and I just express myself very flowy. I was in Poland and in Urban Sketching Festival. I was at the seaside. I also visited a few cities in Lithuania, and I have a lot of short videos, and basically I need to make a movie now. Yeah, that was a bad idea. I thought I'm just gonna make videos of myself, and then I'm gonna edit all of it, and then I'm gonna have I thought I'm gonna make footage, and instead of making reels every day throughout the summer, I will just relax and have a holiday, and then when I'm back home, I am back home now, I will edit the videos, but that's not how my brain works. It takes me 5 minutes to make a reel, right? If I film it this way, I put a caption on, I put a music on, maybe I cut out something if there is or and yeah, so I'm back, and well, I did my first mural after 7 years, and I'm really proud about it. And it was really challenging, so that's the video I want to make about. Basically, I did a mural under a big stress, and so I don't like the result it turned out, but the fact is there's a wall and there's a painting that I did. So I really want to get back to this business. And the school year starts, and there's much on my plate at the moment, I need to admit, but I really love making YouTube videos, and I love editing it. It's fun and it's funny, and I'm fun and I'm funny. So I don't know, you guys, can you write comments and likes, and because I see subscribers growing, but I don't really know any of you guys. So if you could introduce yourself, just who are you? How did you find my channel? I would appreciate that. Thank you, and see you on the next video.